Meet AirPix, the world's smallest and easiest aerial camera ever made. Capture HD photos and videos never before possible. Then share them like magic right from the app. It's like having a personal photographer in your pocket. Take it everywhere and put away the selfie sticks forever. AirPix works with just one touch. It will fly, frame, snap, and return, all by itself. So cool and so easy. If you want more control, just use the in-app joystick. You can also turn on 360 mode to automatically take pictures all around. And it will follow your face for the perfect picture. You can even control it with gestures. In the app, customize your pics and then post them instantly to your favorite social stream. You can even live stream real-time adventures from the air. Wowing your friends and followers has never been this easy, and it's packed with features like Italian design, 12 megapixel photos, HD video, 60-foot range, 6+ minutes of flight time, and smooth air flight stabilization. Welcome to the future of personal photography. Choose the better way to selfie with AirPix, the world's smallest, easiest, and coolest aerial camera ever made. AirPix by AirSelfie. Yeah.